Hey y'all, this here's Teep and Boone, and I was bored tonight, so get my stool situated. I drug out the old Trident Masterlocks. Figured I'd have a go at that. Teach y'all how to basically make the tools to bypass this. What you need pretty much is an old windshield wiper blade, and you get the little stainless steel keepers that hold the rubber in. This might be a long video as I'm going to do it in real time, and it's going to get quite loud here in just a minute. It's the thin one, because we're doing this on the spot. So pretty much got an angle grinder and a wire. Nice. We have just about completed the first part. It's the actual pick tool. Take the sharp edges off. And just piece of emery cloth to not make it scuff the locks up to where I can't manipulate them in the future. Well, anyway, this is the first part of the tool. It's a simple hook. You get a burr. There, no more burr. And the second part, we're going to use a little bit stiffer piece. And here we go. Nip on the end so I can break it off. Piece off and clean up the end. That was hot. So I don't need my angle grinder anymore. Took care of all that mess. Don't need the safety glasses either. Scrap piece, we'll throw that in the trash. And see which one of these ends is cleaner. This one right here. So we're going to take this and we're going to bend a 90-degree bend in it, just like that. Now, personal preference, I like to put a twist on here to give us some sort of spring a little bit of feedback, some spring-loaded feedback. So this is our tension wrench, and this is the pick, all made from a windshield wiper blade. We're going to insert our tension wrench and take our pick in, and we're going to feel, let's see. Now comes the picking part. I think we got a 3. Nothing on 2 or 1. Kind of burnt my hand when I was messing around with this thing. Oh well. Well, we get a click out of 1. Nothing on 2. 3. Get another click. Pin 4 seems to be stuck. I'm going to go to a different lock and come back to that one. Pin 4 seems to be stuck. These have been sitting in a cardboard box forever, and I finally managed to drag them out. Give a quick rake. I don't think I got anything on that rake. Pin 1, nothing. 2. Felt something. 3. Oh, a definite click out of 3. Definite click out of 4. Back to 1. I don't feel anything. Number 2. Click out of 2. Reset and rake. These have been sitting for a while. Ah, there. They have been sitting for a long time in a cardboard box, so moisture has no doubt caused a little bit of corrosion. And there we'll do a quick rake and feel. 4, nope. 3, nope. 2, nope. 1. 1's free. There we go. Boy, these pins are stiff as boards. That's what happens when you let them sit. Okay. Let me rake. We'll go back to 1's free. 2. Oh, we got to click out of 2. There we go. There. All right. That's that one. Now our number 1 lock. Get us all the way in there. A little tension. Give a quick rake. Got to click out of 4. Got to click out of 3. Nothing on 2 there. 1. 1 feels funny. It might be overset. No, we got to click out of 2. Come on. Nope. There we go. 3 locks from a windshield wiper blade. Gotta love Masterlock.